Hello again, this is Dan Buckley with Wisconsin DNR, and here we're in the Wisconsin Community Tree Map, and we're going to look at the advanced filter function. So we're already logged in, and we are in our account, and if we're looking for certain trees or in certain areas, we can use the advanced filter. So that's this kind of hourglass filter symbol here or here. If you click that, you'll see all these different attributes for trees. And again, we might be looking for something in particular. So we'll say, for example, green ash. Done selecting, and we'll apply. And instead of showing all 73 trees in our organization, it's just showing the 5 green ash. So for this organization, it looks like there's a handful in Milwaukee and maybe one in West Bend. So we'll zoom in a little bit. And I also might be interested in just green ash of certain size. So it's green ash common name, and then maybe those that are 0 to 10 inches in diameter. We can just go 0 to 10 inch range diameter, and we'll apply and see if anything pops up. Yep, and sure enough, here is the green ash in West Bend is in that range, and we click it and it says, yep, diameter 8.8 inches. So this is a really handy way of querying different trees, and it's not just by attribute, but you can also do by area. So I'm going to clear all filters, so going back to all trees, 73 in my organization, and you see they pop back up. And instead of querying by attribute, maybe I want to filter by the map. And so in that case, I can just draw a box around Madison, for example. And it allows you to draw a box, and every vertex is a click. And when you're done, you just double click, and it'll close the box. And all of a sudden, on your right side, you will only see the trees that are in that box. And a really handy thing is on the charts down here are also updated. So these are dynamic charts and graphs based on your attributes or your map filter. So play around with that. It's really, really handy to get a sense of where certain trees are located or what the composition is like in a certain area. Thanks, and talk to you later.